So let's set camera right away. I will now press Ctrl and Alt, both keys holding together, and I hit 0 on numeric pad. And we have set camera. Now let's pull this camera back. I go here to Object Properties, left click, and I select camera here, and we pull camera back. Just left click and drag this back a little, and here, point here and drag this. This moves camera up and down. So left goes down, right goes up. It's moving up and down on x-axis, on z-axis, sorry. Here you move camera. If you point and you drag, holding left click or left or right, you move camera on y-axis. And we want this centered, so we can just left click and enter 0. And here you move camera towards or away. So if you point and drag to the right, it goes away. If you drag to the left, it goes closer. So it's not centered really. Why? Because we need to adjust rotation here. On y-axis it should be 0. So left click, enter 0. And that's it. And here, left click on z-axis and enter 90. So now it's centered. We can set rotation angle. That's angle of camera, whether camera goes up or down. So if I left click here and I drag, holding left click, you see camera goes down or up. It's leaning down or pointing up. And we will leave it here on, let's say, 84. I'll left click and I will enter 84. Okay, so that's it. We have set our camera for later. And now let's set our world here. So left click here and change color to black. Left click and just left click this dot and drag this to black. So we have everything black right now. And we have this object over here. And we want to select this object, but now we will leave camera view and going back to scene view. So this is camera view right now. And if we click this camera, we're going back to scene view. And it's easier to work in this view.